All right, y'all, we back at it again. Today is May the 10th, 2020, here to give you all this stock price forecast for Nvidia. And you guys can believe it. It's been about 2 years since we did our last video about Nvidia stock and understanding where this particular market is trying to go in terms of that guy. You guys see him at the bottom left side of my screen. That's the trap. He's the market trapper. He's the one that's trying to take your money. And if you guys didn't know, his footprints are plastered all up on the price chart. If you guys can understand that and forecast where he's likely to go, you can follow right along with him and continue to make that bag like he got in that briefcase. Because if not, he's going to take the money from you. So you guys are at a good location to get the ideas as to what we're learning, what this trap is trying to do with this product called Nvidia. So make sure you continue to watch our videos here on this platform. Hit that like button, share the video, subscribe to this channel, and then follow us on our own website, HueFinancial.com, in order to make sure you are updated on the many price movements that we are gearing and seeing from the market trap perspective. All right, so like I said, it's been a while since we did a video on Nvidia, all the way back since December 29th, 2018. You know what, we do got a playlist for Nvidia, so I mean, if you have nothing but time on your hands, you could go back and check that video out, even though it is irrelevant to the current time period we are in today. Nevertheless, we wanted to see if in fact Nvidia stock is going to continue to move higher and even have the prospect of making all-time highs, right? So yes, many of these stocks in the stock market has gone through a movement to the downside during the months of March and April, and many stocks has recovered from that movement lower. And Nvidia is not the exception. As a matter of fact, you guys can even tell we are cracking ahead on Nvidia stock, making all-time highs right now. The market in Nvidia, you guys can see, hasn't made all-time highs since February 20th of 2020. And here we are again. Look at Friday. This is Friday's market action in Nvidia, and this stock barely came close to making all-time highs. Taking a look at Nvidia stock, looking at this product, look at the weekly time frame. If the market in Nvidia was extremely weak, we would have saw the market close off the highs last week, but it didn't happen. So that is a major clue that the trap is still trying to continue to push this price stock higher. Now, the only thing to be concerned about is where we went as a high during the week of February the 18th, 2020, which was $316.32. That's how high the market went during that weekly trading period. I'm suspecting that the market trap is going to try to do that again this upcoming work week, but it might get their all-time high maybe by a penny or so. But hey, it's still an all-time high, right? So last week was a very good week. We got a push to go up bar. Prior week before that, the market was showing us weakness. So the market trap is still trying to push Nvidia stock higher in price. That looks real well on the weekly time frame. Looking at Nvidia on the monthly time frame, where is the weakness? Stockpile came into the market for Nvidia on the 3rd, the month of February, as well as on the month of March. Last month we saw a decent amount of volume. Lets us know that the market trap was holding $240 and even $260 for support. This current month, which is the earnings month, you guys can tell that Nvidia is still looking for a move higher price. Somebody's anticipating a pretty good earnings report right here for the month of May 21st, 2020, based off what we're getting into the market right now. So weekly time frame looks real good. The monthly time frame looks real well, and the daily time frame looks well too. All right, so we're going to continue to play this market in the video with the movement to the upside. This is one indication or one situation to which we can't necessarily give you a TP, right? We would just literally tell you anywhere in this green area will have to be TP for Nvidia, because this stock is definitely giving us a lot of strength and is definitely still strong. The only premise is once we hit this high back in February again, are we going to see increase in volume and weakness appear? Okay, So considering that we have nowhere else in the background of this chart to contend with as a viable area of restriction, just anywhere in the green would have to be it. Okay, so we're going to continue to play this market movement in Nvidia stock with the movement higher in price. I am suspecting that the trap is going to try to push this stock down as we come close to the prior highs, all-time highs here. So expect that. But generally, how we ended last week and the month of April, yeah, this particular stock is still showing us interest and movement higher in price. All right, so this is going to be our forecast. Real simple to see, simple to understand, and how we speak. And now we just need to sit back and wait to see what the trap is going to do with this particular price for this Nvidia product. Guys, got questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you follow us. All right, I'm out.